Hello folks, today we're going to be taking a quick look at this Chefman 3.5 liter air fryer, and we're going to be going through some of the things that might make this worth your while or not. So first of all, this air fryer is a little bit smaller than usual, but it's a good addition. Let's say you're wanting to go camping, RVing, or you have a small family, or you're just doing your thing solo. So let's look at the physical fryer itself. There are two settings here. One's for the temperature and one is for the timer, which I believe is around 1 hour. So that's it. It's very straightforward. And so the way you would operate this is that you would remove that tray, put whatever you want in there, chicken, let's say your burgers or whatever, set it in, make sure it's closed all the way, set your temperature, set the timer, and let's click that a little bit. While that's going, you're going to hear the air fryer going, and you're going to hear like a little ticking song, which is the timer. It means it's good. There's going to be a little light there. That's about it, you know. Let's put that timer down. Hopefully that's not going to affect anything, but when you're done, you're going to hear the little ding. That's it. Besides just being very simple, I think it's very easy to clean up. So you pull out the tray, you take off the little grill, and that's what you clean. And you can just take a cloth and wipe that. And I would also recommend getting these little air fryer liners. They just pretty much, let me pop one of these things out so you can see. So this makes cleaning up a breeze. Stick one of these things in there, and that's it. And the oil and everything settles down at the bottom. You pop it out, you pop this tray out, you pour that oil out. That's it. And so overall, I think it's an awesome air fryer. It's very simple, basic design. It's a little bit smaller, but you know, like I said, if you're kind of winging it solo or you just want something that's not going to take up a lot of space, I think this works. And you get this whole neat instruction manual, and it's going to tell you what you can cook or whatever. There are recipes online, so I don't think there's much to it. I think it's worth buying.